Hello everyone, this is Henry here again. Today we'll be talking about how you can link your Exness account to your Metatrader 4 app or your Metatrader 5 app. Now this process is very easy, but a lot of people find it difficult. So I'm using this account just for the purpose of this video and for this tutorial. So let's kick off. It's very easy. So the first thing you want to do is know which of the Exness server you are under. So to know that, this is what you would do. You will click here. Just click this part. Just click it. Let's click it and let's see what will happen. Once you click it, I just clicked it now. Now it will take you to this part. Now this is what you are looking for, the server. This is your server, Exness Real 6. That is your server, and this is your login. The detail. So this your login detail. You can still find it here. This is like it's just like your account number. So it is very important. So what you need to do now, since you've noticed that you are making use of your server is Exness Real 6, so what you want to do now is head to your Metatrader 4 app. Let's do that right now. Click home. Let's go back home. I actually make use of Metatrader 5, so but it's the same process. So I'll be using Metatrader 5 for this tutorial. What you need to do now is you need to click here, this 3 drop down. Once you click it, let's see what will happen. Now what you need to click now is manage account. Click manage account. Now what you want to do now is click this plus sign to add an account. Click the plus sign. Now what you want to do now is search for Exness. You search for that your server, Exness. It's because of I'm making use of Metatrader 5. That is why you would only see this for Metatrader 5. This is only what you will see for Metatrader 5. This Exness, sorry for that. This Exness Technologies is the only server we have for Metatrader 5. But for Metatrader 4, we have different servers. So what you want to look for now is that's your own server, which is Exness space Real 6. If you are on a Metatrader 4 app, this will automatically appear. Then what you want to click now is you click on it. Let's say for instance it has appeared. You click on it like this. Once you click on it like this, now this login here is that's your account number you put. Then for password here, it's the password you used in registering on Exness. Your normal Exness password. That is what you would put. Then some will show you something like this. When you click it, let's click it. Okay, as you can see, Exness Real. Okay, what we are using is the MT5, so no problem. So this is our server. Then you just click login. Do you understand? Once you click login, sometimes if you're making use of Exness Metatrader 4 rather, you would see in this part of server, once you click it, you will see demo and Exness Real. Make sure you are not using demo because it's your real account you want to link. You must make sure it is Exness MT4 Exness Real 6. That is what you are logging in with, not a demo account. Then once you're done with that, then you just click your login. Once you click your login, you would automatically link your Exness account to your Metatrader 4 account. It is as easy, as simple as ABC. Follow this direction, follow these steps. Voila, you've linked it. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much.